A Canna Buckle To, an 8x32 bar strathspey for 3 couples and a 4 couple set, published by the Royal Scottish Country Dance Society in Book 24. Ones followed by twos, cast to the bottom, ones and twos turn out, and twos followed by ones that dance back to the top, twos casting to second places, ones that lead down, cross, dance out between the twos and threes on opposite sides, cast round the threes, lead up to the top, cross and cast on own sides to second places. Ones and threes circle 4 hands round to the left, twos and ones that circle 4 hands round to the left. Twos and ones dance rights and lefts. Now from second place, ones followed by threes, cast to the bottom, ones and threes turn out, and threes followed by ones dance back to second place, threes casting to third places. Ones that lead down, cross, dance out between the threes and fours on opposite sides, cast round the fours, lead up to the top, cross and cast on own sides to third places. Ones and fours circle 4 hands round to the left, threes and ones circle 4 hands round to the left. Threes and ones dance rights and lefts. Now the twos are the new first couple.